Your body. What is your brain for? Your brain is the most important organ you have. It is busy all the time, receiving information and sending instructions to every part of your body. It is working even when you are asleep. The brain is divided into three main parts. The largest is the cerebrum. Its crinkly surface, called the cortex, is packed into thousands of folds and loops.
Wow, that's special.
Cerebrum. The cortex is the surface of the cerebrum. This is the cerebellum. The brain stem controls your heartbeat and your breathing.
Boop, 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 boop.
It's a very important part of your brain. One area of the cortex controls your thoughts and feelings. Another deals with speech, and another with body movement.
Whoa, take those.
A thick bundle of nerves run down from the brain stem to the spinal cord, which is inside your backbone. Smaller bundles of nerves branch out from the spinal cord to every part of your body. How do you breathe? When you breathe, air goes into your lungs. The lungs take out the oxygen from the air. Your blood then carries the oxygen to the cells in your body. You must breathe to stay alive. When you breathe in, millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli in your lungs fill with air. Tiny blood vessels around the alveoli take in oxygen from the air, which can then be carried around the body. The blood in your veins is made up of different cells. Red blood cells are used to carry oxygen, while white blood cells kill harmful bacteria which enter your body. Your heart is a big muscle which pumps blood around your body. It beats over 10,000 times a day. If it stopped beating, you would die. Windpipe, bronchial tubes, bronchioles, and your lungs. Why do you have bones? The bones in your body are there so that you can stand up and move around. They also protect important parts of your body. You have 206 different bones in your body. The biggest is your thigh bone, and the smallest is the tiny stirrup bone in your ear. Your foot has 30 different bones which all fit together. Look at them. You use your muscles to control the movement of your body and to hold your bones in place. There are over 650 different muscles which often work in pairs. When you walk, you use up to 200 muscles.
Wow.
It takes only 17 muscles to smile. Your skin is like a waterproof wrapping which encloses all your bones and organs while keeping out dirt and germs. It helps to control your body temperature. So this is your skin. On the outside is the epidermis. Below that is the dermis. You have sweat gland. And this is a hair follicle. And blood vessels are running through your skin, which gives air, oxygen, and nutrients to the hair and to every part of the skin. how can you see? Special receptor cells in your eye, called the retina, pick up information about the world around you and send it back to your brain. The pupil controls the amount of light that enters the eye. This is the black part of your eye. Your eye has a lens which can become fatter or thinner to make sure a clear image shines on the retina. Light rays, bing, bing, pupil, and the image is cast at the back of your eye. If one of your parents has brown eyes and the other blue, you are more likely to have brown eyes, as this is the stronger color. The space inside the eye, the chamber, is filled with clear jelly.
Ooh.
We have jelly in our eyes.
Cool.
Light rays shine an upside down image on your retina, but your brain turns it the right way up.
Wow.
Each eye can move up, down, round, and sideways by using 6 tiny muscles.
6.
What can you hear? Sounds are really vibrations in the air. Your ears collect vibrations and funnel them into your eardrums. Your eardrum shakes and passes the vibrations onto 3 small bones. These are called the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. They pass the vibrations onto the cochlea. The outer parts of your ear are made of a rubbery material called cartilage, covered in soft skin. The cochlea has 3 loops which are filled with liquid. When you move, the brain uses messages from the cochlea to help you to keep your balance. The cochlea is lined with nerve endings that send messages to the brain where the sound is understood. So here is your outer ear, which we can see. Here's the eardrum. Here's the hammer, the anvil, the inner ear, and the cochlea. And this is a stirrup bone. So don't pick your ear or you might burst your eardrum. Don't put sharp things into your ear. Why do you eat food? Food is the fuel your body needs to keep it alive and working. The food you eat is digested inside your body and sent to all your body cells. Food is digested or broken down in your stomach and your small intestine. Tiny food substances called nutrients pass through the intestine wall and into your bloodstream. Food is made up of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Proteins are the hardest to digest. The small intestine is the biggest part of your digestive system. It is very narrow, but in adults, it's about 6 meters long. Is that longer than a bus?
Yes. Or MRT.
Water and food which cannot be digested are sent to the large intestine. They can stay here for up to 20 hours before passing out of the body through the rectum. When you go to the toilet. Some foods help your body to grow and other foods give you energy. You need a mixture of these foods to stay healthy. So you've got meats, fishes, beans, eggs, milk, and cheese. These foods give you the protein that you need. Carbohydrates, and you get these from rice, bread, potatoes, and cake, and sugar. And for fiber, you get them from fruits and vegetables.
Yum.